So yeah, I know you guys read the title of the video already. Disney stock has failed to do a rally since I did my price prediction. Look at the chart, right? I'm a realist. I keep it real. If the market in Disney is not reflecting any strength, I'm not going to come in and try to drum up some hypothetical situation to tell you that eventually it's going to go back up. I'm not going to tell you to come in and buy the dip because that's asinine. If the market looks weak, it is weak. And since I did my price prediction, look at what price has done. It's gone down. It's gone lower in price. So obviously, what I thought was going to happen on our last video in Disney, which was on the 17th of September, is not panning out right. So we need to cut that price prediction and say, all right, cool. We didn't get this one right. Let's move this market to the bottom. It's going lower. Now, why would I give you that information now? Because when I did my video on September the 17th, I didn't have access to this new information. Every day the market is open, it gives us access to new information. And when you ingest that new information, your analysis should change. It shouldn't stay the same. And I'm going to show you the reason why I'm looking for Disney to now go lower. First, yes, the market failed to rally. That's the first reason. Because I was looking for the market in Disney right here to begin to go higher, right? And instead of that occurring, the market in Disney went down anyway. And then here's the second reason. We got indicators triggered a weakness off of this daily price bar. September the 19th, we have an up fake and a push to go down bar all on one day. And then we see the last trading day, September 22nd, 2023. Another indicator showing us that the market is definitely getting hit with more selling. So my price prediction didn't pan out right. So let me get rid of it. 3.6% right there. If we were to get on the close of Friday, that would be 5% loss. Okay. Now, obviously, if the market's not bullish, then what are we looking forward to? If it's not bullish, you can only get two other price movements. Either it's going to continue to trade within the channel or it's going to go lower. Which one do you think price is going to do then? Let me show you all the weekly chart first. Okay. Now, from a weekly chart, fantastic week the last week. The prior week, September the 11th, was fantastic in Disney. That was great. It was a great move. You would suspect that the market indeed was going to go up. That was going to continue to go higher. But instead, look what happened to the market instead. It went back down and it literally encompassed the same spread of the prior week. It tells you that those buyers did not feel confident in buying Disney at $85, $87. They was not confident. Because if they were, then this weekly price bar here would not be on the low. It would not be closing on the low, but it did. 2 weeks. Look at the 2 week bar, price bar. It doesn't look bullish. 3 doesn't look bullish. 5 monthly. All of this weakness on a long-term time frame. To go along with the current trend, what direction has price in Disney been on? I think you guys can see it now. So why would people create videos telling that the market is to buy here? They should not be doing that. They should be telling you that the market in Disney is in a downtrend and that the market is weak. Yes, they should, but they're not doing it because they want you to hold these stocks for the next 65,000 years. And eventually, hopefully one day, Disney will be higher than where it currently is today. But the market right now is showing us that it's massively weak. So if we're not looking for price in Disney to hold the lows of these monthly price bars, right? Then what are we looking forward to then? This would be the next area right there. And if it's not going to hold here at $70, $69.50, the next area would be right around here, $62. Okay. I'm just getting prepared because many people don't think price can go down. Like, I don't understand why people don't think price go lower. It definitely can. Okay. So let me do this. because we're going to look for Disney to go down. Okay. Now, all is not lost if you're a buyer. Okay. Let me put this out. All is not lost, because you still have one more, in my opinion, one more try. And it is at the lows of these 5-day price bars here that you can see the market come in and buy Disney. That's it. If we see weakness on these levels right here, this price level right here, it's $80, right? It ain't gonna be pretty to me. I think the market's gonna go a lot lower, especially if those buyers don't come in like they did on those 2 5-day price bars that the arrow's pointing up to right now. They have to show up. Will they? Looking at the charts, it doesn't look like they're gonna show up, but hey, anything can happen, right? So let me go ahead and put on my price prediction. I'll be finished. And that's going to be my first target though. So let me tell you that right now. Those lows or those 5-day price bars, that's going to be our first target. Okay. Let me fix all this up, and then I'm going to clean up the chart because I don't like dirty charts. People like to have like 2,500 indicators off their chart. I don't like to have no indicators. I just like to have a clean chart. Okay. First target is, let me see if I could get this pretty close to where, look at that. Isn't that crazy? That's where the price currently is in Disney right now. Crazy. So I got that one straight. And then this is my other. Okay, so we're pretty close. So that's going to be our first target in Disney. Okay. Which is 2 3/4% move down. It's not a lot, but I want you all to understand that. Okay. Second target. It's going to be around $70, $69.75. I'm just going to do those 2 targets. I don't want to scare you all too much with us seeing price in Disney going down to 62.50 yet. Okay, I'm gonna hold this line here because this is the last basis to me that buyers really need to show up. If they do, fantastic, because I only suspect though that even if they do hold that area, that price will come either to this downtrend line and test it, or get hit on this resistance line in Disney. So let me lower this area too, because this is the new area of resistance here in Disney. That is resistance now. Okay. So I think I got it. I think I'm clean now. I think the market here is straight. So now I'm good. What about you? How do you think? Or what do you think about Disney stock now? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.